Hello everyone. Dita was brainstorming ideas for tutorials, and then she thought, why not share tutorials from other designers? Because Dita loves to create, but what she loves most is learning. So, here are 3 tutorials that Dita looked at this week. In this tutorial by Webin, you'll learn how to write letters in images of objects, fruit, etc. If you like typography, you'll love this tutorial. It's so fun, I love it. In this other tutorial from Lily's Tech Tips, she teaches you how to make documentary videos like this one. It looks great. This tutorial shows how great things can be done in Canva, if you are creative, and if you have resourcefulness. In this short tutorial, Natalia Kalinska demonstrates a Canva tool that is often overlooked. Dita was happy to see this tutorial because it's true that she never used this tool. But now she will use it because it's so useful. That's it for today. Check out these tutorials to learn how to do great things in Canva. And check out Dita's tutorials too. Bye!